Hey everybody, my name's Jamie, and today I'm going to be showing you my plastic outdoor dollhouse makeover. I found this plastic faded dollhouse at a yard sale next door and decided that it would make a really great Halloween haunted house. So here I'm using matte black flat paint made for plastic. And I spray painted the whole thing black, the bottom half and the inside, include in the back, which is open. Don't show that to you here. I used quite a bit of cans to get it completely covered, but I was really happy with the coverage after it was finally done. And I, at this point, did not cover the windows because I'm going to make the window frames a different color. So I just painted around them. I went back to the hardware store to get more paint because I used a lot. And I felt like I needed to show you the two amazing puppers. I mean, look at those faces. Oh, they were so cute. I walked around the store like a homeless, lost person and finally found the spray paint section. And I got like 8 paint cans of this Fusion, which is really good for plastic. And I really liked the way that it went on. It was very nice. Here's me pretty much clearing the shelf off, which I don't normally do, but desperate times. So I made a mistake. I did a little bit more work than I needed to. Here I am spray painting the windows purple. And my plan was then that I was going to tape off the windows and then repaint over on the walls black. Didn't realize that there are screws in the back, and actually those window frames can just come out. So that is what I ended up doing. This purple is stunning. I love this. It's called Grape. So here it is, prefixing that black. But look how nicely that purple went on. It's so beautiful. Oh, I do the inside and everything. Wait until my reveal video. It's amazing. I don't show you me taking off the window frames and painting them. I'm sparing you that. Okay, so here comes my reveal. Ta-da! Isn't she beautiful? I love her. So I found the gargoyle on Amazon. It is attached. Everything is attached with weatherproof silicone, some dollar store moss, another little accoutrement that is actually stone, cute little sign that says turn back. My door was missing. The lady at the art sale didn't have it. I don't mind. It doesn't bother me. So okay, so we're going to turn it around so I can show you the inside because I got a little detailed in there. I painted the floor to look like a hardwood floor. I had all these cute little accoutrements that the neighbor ended up coming over and giving me. Aren't they cute? They're little faces, and I thought I would just add them in there. I used some gauzy stuff from the store, the dollar store. I had those face stickers. Don't ask me why. I used scrapbook paper and made some wallpaper, more creepy little face pictures. They're like those are like poison and cyanide stickers. I don't know, maybe the people died of poisoning. Ooh, and that man with his mouth open, he was just asking for there to be blood coming out of it. Yep. So this is her. I hope you love her like I do.